It's pretty simple rules that I discovered after 35 years of rock climbing. Don't let go. But really, truly, often you think about letting go way before your body does. Hesitation is bad, so momentum is good. Don't stop. Have a plan. Often what happens is you're planning so hard for, like, how do I get through the hardest part? How do I get through the hardest part? And then what happens? You get to the last pitch, it's easy, and you're completely flamed out. Don't do it. You have to plan ahead to get to the top, but you also can't forget that each individual move you have to be able to complete. So you've got to focus. Know how to rest. It's amazing. The best climbers are the ones that in the most extreme situations can get their bodies into some position where they can rest, regroup, calm themselves, focus, and keep going. Fear really sucks. Because what it means is you're not focusing on what you're doing. You're focusing on the consequences of failing at what you're doing. Because any given move should require all your concentration and thought processes to execute it effectively. Strength doesn't always equal success. Once you get to that point where you know it's going to happen, you need to start thinking about how you're going to let go, because that's the critical piece of not getting hurt.